Fastest way to calculate exponential, exp, function of large complex array in Python. I'm developing code that integrates an ode using SciPy's complex_ode, where the integrand includes a Fourier transform and exponential operator acting on a large array of complex values. To optimize performance, I've profiled this and found the main bottleneck is, after optimizing FFTS using PYFFTW etc., in the line. I'm currently using numpy, which I understand calls C code, and thus should be quick. But is there any way to further improve performance, please? I've looked into using number, but since my main loop includes FFTS2, I don't think it can be compiled. Python equals true flag leads to errors, and thus, I suspect it offers no gain. Here is a test example for the code I'd like to optimize. Any suggestions welcome, thanks.
We could leverage numExp module, which works really efficiently on large data involving transcendental operations. This seems to be coherent with the expected performance as stated in the docs.